A 65-year-old man in Assam died of COVID-19, the first casualty of the deadly disease from the northeastern state of India. According to media reports, he was among 29 persons in Assam who had tested positive for coronavirus. Assam Health Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma said the 65-year-old, a resident of Hailakandi district, died due to COVID-19 complications at around 2 a.m. on April 10. He was one of the 27 patients who had links with the Nizamuddin event in Delhi early March. He had also visited Saudi Arabia recently, the minister said. The global toll due to the novel coronavirus COVID-19 is likely to cross 1 lakh in the next few hours as the number of infections rise above 1.6 million. Italy has lost the most number of people to the virus with 18,279, followed by Spain 15,447 and France 12,210. The US has the highest number of confirmed cases at 4,62,135, followed by Spain 1,53,222 and Italy 1,43,626 according to John Hopkins. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted this morning that India was committed to contribute to humanity's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. India has reported 6,412 cases of COVID-19, including 503 patients who have been treated and discharged and 199 deaths. Church doors will be shut and the Vatican sealed off when Pope Francis leads 1.3 billion Catholics in Easter Sunday celebrations held under a worldwide coronavirus lockdown. As per a media report, the Vatican has been closed to visitors for a month and the 83-year-old pontiff has complained of feeling caged. Stepping up measures against the coronavirus pandemic, the district administration, Tengnoupal and district police yesterday sealed and strengthened the porous Indo-Myanmar border, including border pillar numbers 80 and 82. Border with Myanmar at B. Bongzang, Kwathakuna village and Molphai village were sealed completely. STC BSF CHURACHANDPUR distributed nutritious midday meal to the students, staff and parents of Solace Academy School as Munhoi village under Singha subdivision of CHURACHANDPUR district yesterday. CMO STC BSF CHURACHANDPUR Dr. S. Ranbir Singh also sensitized the students about coronavirus pandemic. As part of the program, a free medical checkup program was also conducted for the students and provided medicines to them. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Students Union RIMSU has donated a sum of rupees 20,000 to the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund today. Altogether, 36 stranded Manipuri pilgrims at Radhakund in Vrindavan have once again called upon the Manipur government to take immediate steps to bring them back to the state. The pilgrims have remained stuck at the holy site since March after the centre announced nationwide total lockdown to contain COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Manipur Governor Dr. NAJMA has extended warm greetings to all Christian brethren of Manipur on the occasion of Good Friday. She stressed on the preaching of Lord Jesus of peaceful coexistence and love for neighbors and recalled that the Lord was sent with the objective of bringing a new world order based on truth, humility, sacrifice, equity, compassion and peace. Prominent Nagaland author Kaka D. Iralu passed away yesterday evening. He breathed his last at the referral hospital in Dimapur after a prolonged illness. He was 64. Iralu is known for the books The Naga Saga and The Blood and the Tears. Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro and Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Friday that India is ready to help its friends. The Prime Minister tweeted this message in response to the leaders' "Thank you not for clearing the export of hydroxychloroquine, a drug widely used in treatment of coronavirus disease COVID-19.